And he did a marvelous job. Clean, efficient, and he's good. I would recommend him anytime.
That's beautiful.
Very professional.
Thank you, madam. Thank you.
And everything turns out great. Wonderful plumbing service.
Thank you, Marty. Thanks.
You're an old customer of Champion.
Oh yeah, we call the Champion many times whenever we need something.
Thank you, Harmony. Appreciate it.
No questions asked. They were fantastic. Did the work quickly. Did the work well.
I've used them for several things, and they're top-notch. Just about any.
I cannot say enough good things about Champion Plumbing. Granger's been coming here to do a number of things over the years. It's done all great, on time, couldn't be happier.
Up here,
there's my husband.
And we're putting it back, and here's the husband coming right back here, and I believe he's happy too.
Yes.
Thanks.
we have full faith in Granger.
Thank you very much.
1 second, back up.
That is typically the problems that you're going to have is it's either from the flush valve, the fill valve, the flush handle, your tank to bowl kit, which is there's a washer in between this tank and this bowl.
This is the join right here. We're going to fuse these two 4-inch pipes together right here. They trim them off and fuse them together. It becomes one pipe. There's no join. There's no join that roots can get in at all. Give us a call.
It's a pleasure to deal with people that really know their job.
They did an excellent job from the beginning to the end. Installation was quick, and the guys are amazing. You gotta use them. Listen to me.
Gracias, señor.
You're welcome.